Welcome back to AI Agent Studio. In today's video, we'll uncover some of the most exciting open-source platforms and tools for AI agent development on GitHub. From streamlining workflows with Agentops and Copilot Kit to simplifying web interactions with browser use and OpenHands, these tools will significantly boost your AI projects. Let's dive right in. Project number 1: Awesome AI Agents, your weekly dive into cutting-edge open-source AI agents. Awesome AI Agents project is its dedication to being the ultimate, regularly updated collection of the newest open-source AI agent projects. Think of it as your central hub for discovering the freshest innovations in the world of autonomous AI. Unlike static lists, this repository is curated and updated weekly, ensuring you're always in the loop with the latest developments and trends. It goes beyond simply listing projects. You'll find direct links, demos, and even tutorials, making it easier to explore and understand these cutting-edge technologies. The project's core, the agents.md file, acts as a categorized roadmap to navigate the exciting landscape of AI agents. Furthermore, it's a community-driven initiative, actively encouraging contributions of new projects and updates, making it a dynamic and ever-evolving resource. For those wanting to stay consistently informed, the project offers a weekly newsletter delivering curated AI agent updates straight to your inbox. In essence, Awesome AI Agents stands out by providing a timely, curated, and community-supported gateway to the forefront of open-source AI agent development. Project number 2: Agentops, the ultimate toolkit for monitoring and mastering your AI agents. What truly distinguishes Agentops is its comprehensive approach to giving you full visibility and control over your AI agents, from the moment you start building to when you deploy them in production. Unlike basic logging or simple tracking, Agentops offers deep observability, allowing you to see exactly how your agents are performing, how they interact, and how much they cost. It uniquely integrates with a vast ecosystem of leading LLMs and agent frameworks, including popular choices like OpenAI Agents SDK, Crew AI, LangChain, AutoGen, and Camel AI, making it a versatile solution for almost any AI agent project. Imagine being able to replay agent sessions step by step to pinpoint errors, track your LLM spending in real time, and benchmark your agents against rigorous evaluations to ensure top-notch performance. Agentops also stands out with its focus on security and compliance, helping you detect and prevent common vulnerabilities like prompt injection. With its easy-to-use SDK and integrations, you can add powerful observability with just a few lines of code, making it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about building reliable and efficient AI agents. Project number 3: OpenHands, code less, make more. OpenHands apart is its focus on empowering AI agents to take on the full spectrum of software development tasks, acting as a digital developer capable of more than just code generation. Imagine an AI that can autonomously modify code, execute commands in a terminal, browse the web for solutions, and even interact with APIs, essentially mimicking the actions of a human programmer. Unlike simpler coding assistants, OpenHands strives for a higher level of autonomy, allowing these agents to tackle complex development challenges end-to-end. Furthermore, OpenHands is designed with accessibility in mind, offering a quick start through Docker, making it easy for individual developers to get up and running. As an open-source project with a vibrant and active community on platforms like Slack and Discord, it encourages collaboration and the continuous evolution of its capabilities. While intended for single-user deployment on a local workstation, OpenHands provides a powerful platform for exploring the cutting edge of AI in software development, giving developers the tools to truly code less, make more. The project's adaptability is further enhanced by its support for multiple LLM providers, allowing users to leverage the best models for their specific needs. Project number 4: Browser use, make websites accessible for AI agents. Browser use is its fundamental goal of empowering AI agents with the ability to directly engage with the internet through web browsers. This sets it apart from other AI tools that might rely on more limited methods like API calls or static data extraction. Browser use enables AI to navigate and interact with websites in a manner akin to a human user, unlocking a vast potential for automation and information gathering. Imagine AI agents seamlessly comparing product prices across different e-commerce sites, automating the entire online shopping process from adding items to the cart to completing checkout, or efficiently conducting in-depth research by navigating multiple web pages and extracting specific information. The project offers a significant advantage through its user-friendly approach, providing a hosted version for immediate browser automation without complex setup. For developers, it offers a Python library that allows for smooth integration of these browser control capabilities into their existing AI agent frameworks. Furthermore, browser use fosters a vibrant community through its Discord server, encouraging collaboration and the sharing of innovative applications. With a clear roadmap focused on improving how AI agents understand and interact with dynamic web elements and even shaping the future of AI-friendly web design, browser use is uniquely positioned as the easiest and most direct route for AI to truly experience and utilize the full potential of the web. Project number 5: Page Assist, your local AI powerhouse for web browsing. What truly sets Page Assist apart is its ability to bring the power of locally running AI models directly into your web browsing experience. Imagine having a personal AI assistant accessible on any web page, ready to answer questions about the content you're viewing or engage in a conversation like ChatGPT, but powered by your own local model. Unlike cloud-based AI services, Page Assist ensures your data stays private as all processing happens locally within your browser. This innovative browser extension provides you with both a convenient sidebar that you can open on any web page and a dedicated web UI for a more comprehensive interaction with your chosen local AI. Whether you're using Allama, LM Studio, or another OpenAI API-compatible endpoint, Page Assist seamlessly integrates these capabilities, allowing you to chat with the web page content and unlock deeper insights. This unique approach transforms your browser into an AI-enhanced research and productivity tool, putting you in control of your AI interactions without relying on external servers. Page Assist supports popular browsers like Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Firefox, making this local AI integration accessible to a wide range of users. Project number 6: Agent Chat UI, your direct line to any LangGraph agent. Agent Chat UI is its core functionality. It's a dedicated web application built to give you a seamless chat interface for interacting with your LangGraph agents. Forget complicated setups or diving deep into code just to test your agent's capabilities. This project, built with the speed and efficiency of Vite and the user-friendliness of React, provides a simple yet powerful way to communicate with any LangGraph server that has a messages key. Whether your LangGraph backend is running locally during development or is deployed in a production environment, Agent Chat UI acts as the perfect front-end companion. Getting started is incredibly easy. You can either clone the repository for local development or even use the conveniently deployed site directly. All you need to connect is the URL of your LangGraph server, the ID of the specific assistant or graph you want to engage with, and your Langsmith API key if you're connecting to a deployed server. Once configured, you're instantly presented with a clean chat interface, ready for you to start conversing with your LangGraph creation. In essence, Agent Chat UI uniquely simplifies the process of interacting with and testing your LangGraph agents, making it an indispensable tool for developers in the LangGraph ecosystem. Project number 7: Copilot Kit, supercharge your apps with AI assistants and chatbots. Copilot Kit stands out as its dual focus on both providing a slick React UI and the underlying infrastructure needed to seamlessly embed AI copilots, chatbots, and even sophisticated in-app AI agents directly into your applications. Unlike many AI toolkits that might focus solely on the backend or offer limited UI components, Copilot Kit gives you the best of both worlds. Imagine effortlessly building AI assistants that live right within your user's workflow, offering help exactly when and where they need it. Whether you need a simple chatbot or a complex agent that can automate tasks, Copilot Kit provides the building blocks, from fully customizable pre-built UI components to the flexibility of a headless UI for complete control. What's even more unique is its support for various AI functionalities right in the front end, including integrating your own data for retrieval augmented generation, RAG, connecting to knowledge bases, and building interactive generative UI with real-time streaming. For those looking to build more advanced conversational flows, Copilot Kit also offers powerful features for integrating LangGraph agents directly within your apps, complete with state management and even human-in-the-loop approval capabilities. With its clear focus on in-application AI and its comprehensive set of tools, CopilotKit empowers developers to create truly integrated and user-friendly AI experiences. Project number 8: Steel Browser, the smart browser for AI that handles everything. What truly sets Steel Browser apart is that it's specifically designed as an open-source browser API built from the ground up for AI agents and applications. Think of it as a fully loaded browser in a box that takes away all the headaches of web automation infrastructure. Instead of wrestling with setting up and managing browsers, sessions, and all the complexities that come with it, you can dive straight into building your AI to interact with the web. Steel Browser uniquely handles the nitty-gritty details under the hood, like managing browser sessions, cookies, and local storage. It gives your AI complete control over Chrome instances using powerful tools like Puppeteer and CDP, and it's even flexible enough to work with Puppeteer, Playwright, or Selenium. Whether your AI needs to maintain a continuous browsing session, rotate through proxies, load custom browser extensions, or even use anti-detection features, Steel Browser has you covered. It also provides handy tools to quickly grab content as Markdown, readable text, screenshots, or PDFs. With both dedicated session management for complex tasks and a Quick Actions API for simpler jobs, Steel Browser offers a streamlined and powerful way for your AI to truly understand and utilize the web. Project number 9: Open Interface, control any computer using LLMs. Open Interface apart is its revolutionary approach to human-computer interaction. It allows large language models to directly control your computer. Imagine simply telling an AI what you want to do, and then watching as your computer autonomously carries out the task. Open Interface achieves this by leveraging the intelligence of powerful LLMs like GPT-4o and Gemini. It sends your requests to these models, which then determine the necessary steps to achieve your goal. The magic lies in how Open Interface automatically executes these steps by simulating your own keyboard and mouse actions. This isn't just about issuing simple commands. Open Interface is designed to course correct in real time by capturing screenshots and feeding them back to the LLM. This allows the AI to understand the evolving situation on your screen and adjust its actions accordingly. Whether you're using a Mac, a Linux machine, or a Windows PC, Open Interface provides easy-to-install options, including pre-built binaries and the ability to run it as a Python script. By simply connecting your preferred LLM through its API key, you unlock the potential for a truly hands-free computing experience, placing Open Interface at the cutting edge of AI-powered automation. Project number 10: Open Interface, control any computer using LLMs. Open Interface is its groundbreaking ability to empower large language models to directly operate your computer. Imagine simply describing what you want to achieve, and then watching as your machine autonomously executes the necessary actions. Open Interface achieves this by intelligently routing your requests to powerful LLM backends like GPT-4o and Gemini, which then determine the precise sequence of steps required. The magic doesn't stop at planning. Open Interface goes further by automatically carrying out these steps through simulated keyboard and mouse inputs. This allows for a level of control that goes far beyond simple commands. What makes it truly unique is its real-time course correction mechanism, where the system captures screenshots of your screen and feeds them back to the LLM. This visual feedback loop enables the AI to understand the evolving context and adjust its actions as needed. Whether you're using macOS, Linux, or Windows, Open Interface offers straightforward installation options, including downloadable binaries, and for those who prefer, it can also be run as a Python script. By simply connecting your preferred LLM via its API key, you unlock the potential for a genuinely hands-free computing experience, positioning Open Interface as a uniquely innovative tool for AI-driven computer control. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed discovering these powerful platforms and tools for AI agent development, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment about your favorite tool, and subscribe to AI Agent Studio. Ring the notification bell for our next video featuring more exciting AI projects. Stay innovative, and we'll see you in the next video.